Okay, so there it is, our new Recce 16 MCMR. This gun I've had on back order for over 13 months, but it finally came in today. And I'm so excited. Here's a picture of what it looks like. We're going to unpack it now, and we're gonna go through all the features of it. So, here we go. Okay, so we have here, it's got a manual, a trigger lock, and some miscellaneous parts, gun cloth, whatever. Here is a BCM 30 clip magazine. There she is. Alright, figure out how to get this thing on here. There it is. There's your BCM Recce 16 MCMR. So it's got the full Picatinny strip along the top. It's got mounts along the side. It's got mounts along this side. And there it is. Wow. I'm impressed. So the upper receiver is manufactured from aluminum forgings of a 7075 T6 and hard coat anodized PER MILA 625F type 3 class 2. I don't know what that means, but it sounds important, so we're gonna go with that. It has an M4 feed ramp, flat tap with laser T markings, and a mid-link gas system. The bolt carrier group right here is machined from mil-spec Carpenter number 158 steel. It has HPT MPI, which is high pressure tested proof of trust. Let's try that again. High pressure MPI, high pressure tested proof magnetic particle inspection, MPI, magnetic particle inspection. It's shot peened. It's tool steel extractor with BCM extractor spring. It is black exterior insert, chrome lined carrier, full auto profile, and chrome lined gas hardened to USGI specifications with stacked grade 8 fasteners for mil-spec. The lower receiver is machined from aluminum forgings 7075-T6 hard coat anodized per mil A8625F type 3 class 2. Has a low shelf for RDIAS installation. Installation of a registered drop-in auto sear allows weapon to fire on full automatic. However, this is a commercial version, so it cannot fire automatic. Let's keep that in mind. It has a low shelf for AccuEdge use. Fire controls marked safe and semi. And BCM mil-spec 7075-T6 receiver extension. It is a stacked M4 lug nut and UCGI H buffer 1 UCGI tungsten, 2 steel. The barrel is independently certified mil spec 11595E barrel seal, manganese phosphate barrel finish on entire barrel. It's a 16-inch government profile barrel with a 1/7 twist and 4 feet ramp extension. It is USGI 5.56 NATO chrome line bore and chamber. So yes, this is a chrome line barrel. You should get 15,000 to 20,000 shots out of this gun before you ever have to worry about replacing the barrel. It is HPT MPI. HPT stands for high pressure test. MPI stands for magnetic particle inspected per mil spec. So it has a MCMR handguard, has a BCM gunfighter charging handle, a Mod 0 compensator right here. It has a collapsible butt stock, but I can't get this to do it right now, but I'll try anyway. There it goes. Mod 3.0 pistol grip, a QD end plate, a PNT trigger, and a BMC gunfighter trigger guard. So I'm super excited. I'm taking this gun to the range tomorrow with a Raleigh police officer who is former military. He was a former military MP in the Army, and we are going to run 1,000 rounds to this thing if we have to. We're going to prove it out.